Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man James Robinson coming at you live from Journey Junction, the only place on YouTube you need to be if you're trying to make travel less stressful and way more fun. Listen, we've all been there. You're hyped for a trip, packing your bags, but then, BAM! You realize you forgot to pack your toothbrush. Don't worry, I got you. Today, we're sharing 10 genius travel tips to make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. These are the tips that nobody tells you, the ones I've learned from years on the road. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. All right, first up, let's talk about packing. We've all been there, staring at an overflowing suitcase, wondering how we're going to fit everything in. But trust me, less is more. Packing light is the key to travel nirvana. You'll be nimble, efficient, and able to breeze through airports like a boss. No more baggage fees, no more backaches. Just you, your essentials, and the open road. Now, I know what you're thinking, James. How am I supposed to fit everything into a small bag? Enter packing cubes, my friend. These magical little squares are like mini drawers for your luggage. Clothes, toiletries, gadgets, they all have a designated spot. No more rummaging through your bag like a frantic raccoon, just organized bliss. Listen up, folks. This next tip is a game changer. Forget folding your clothes. Instead, roll them up tight, like little travel burritos. Not only does this save space, but it also prevents wrinkles. That's right, you heard me right. No more ironing in your hotel room, more time for exploring, less time for chores. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the go, but buying plastic water bottles is a big no-no. It's bad for the environment and your wallet. Instead, bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you can. You'll save money, reduce waste, and stay hydrated like a pro. We all love a good Google Maps adventure, but what happens when you're in a foreign country with limited data? Cue the panic attack, avoid the stress and download offline maps before you go. That way, you'll always have a backup and can navigate like a local, even without internet access. Picture this. You're about to capture the perfect sunset photo, but your phone battery decides to die. Don't let a dead battery ruin your trip. A portable charger is a must-have for any traveler. Keep your devices juiced up and ready to go no matter where your adventures take you. Safety first, my friends. When you're traveling, it's essential to keep your valuables secure. A money belt worn under your clothes is a great way to keep your cash, cards, and passport safe from pickpockets. It's like having a secret stash for your most important belongings. You don't need to be fluent in every language, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Simple greetings, thank you, and please can enhance your interactions with locals and show that you're making an effort. Plus, it's just plain respectful. We've all been there. You lose your passport and panic sets in. Avoid a travel nightmare by photocopying all your important documents like your passport, visa, and tickets. Keep a copy in your bag and another set with a trusted friend or family member. Remember, you're a visitor in someone else's home. Before you go, take some time to research local customs and etiquette. What's considered polite in one culture might be offensive in another. Showing respect for local customs will enrich your travel experience and foster positive interactions. And there you have it, folks. 10 genius travel tips to make your next trip unforgettable. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Journey Junction for more travel tips and adventures. Remember, the world is your oyster. Get out there, explore, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels and see you in the next video.